Very good morning, students. Here is chapter number 2 of SST, Changes in Neighborhood and School. We did this lesson. I already explained this lesson to you. So today we are going to do the question answer of this lesson. You can see here the practice session. Exercise A is given here. Take the correct option. Okay. See the first question. What has brought a change in the life of the Indians? Okay. This is the question first. Options are given here. Easternization, globalization, centralization, and southernization. So you have to take the correct option of this question. So the correct option is globalization. Okay. Second question is here. Today people love eating. Options are given here. Junk food, green vegetables, balanced diet, and none of these. आज के टाइम में लोगों को क्या खाना पसंद है? ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं. जंक फूड, ग्रीन वेजिटेबल्स, बैलेंस्ड डाइट, एंड नन ऑफ दीज. So the correct option is junk food. Okay na? This one is your correct option, junk food. Question third is here. The modern day people prefer to live in. आज के modern day में लोग कहाँ रहना पसंद करते हैं? Options are given here. Bungalows, mud houses, flats, and none of these. So your correct option is. The modern day people prefer to live in flats. Okay na? First option is globalization, second is junk food, and third is flats. So next is here question answer. Answer the following question. First question is here. How has the lifestyle of the people changed? लोगों की जो जीवन शैली है वो कैसे बदल गई? So all the questions are here. So I am not writing the answer on the blackboard. As I told you before जब मैंने पहला वीडियो दिया था उसमें बताया था कि क्वेश्चन नहीं लिखूंगी क्योंकि क्वेश्चन सारे दिए हुए हैं. So you will write the question from the book and I will write only the answer. Okay? But don't copy. ऐसा नहीं है कि जिस तरीके से मैंने सिर्फ आंसर लिखा है you will write in the same way. Just first you write the question from the book and then write the answer. So the first answer is written here on the blackboard. Answer 1. The lifestyle of the people changed with time. लोगों का जो लाइफस्टाइल है वो समय के साथ बदल गया. ओके ना? दिस इज योर फर्स्ट आंसर. द लाइफस्टाइल ऑफ द पीपल चेंज्ड विथ टाइम. ओके. सेकेंड क्वेश्चन इज why do the modern day people work more? Why do the modern day people work more? So the answer of the second question is in modern day people work more because they want to live a comfortable and luxurious life. ठीक है ना? यहाँ पे ये लग्जरियस के पूरा वर्ड मैंने नहीं लिखा है क्योंकि देयर इज नो स्पेस. सो LUX, then I had given the dash here. LUX, then URIOUS. कभी कभी क्या होता है कि आप सेम वे में आपके पास स्पेस होता है लेकिन आप भी ऐसे ही कॉपी कर लेते हो बट इट इज नॉट करेक्ट. ओके ना? ये यहाँ पे पूरा वर्ड नहीं आ रहा था तो मैंने आधे 3 लेटर्स यहाँ लिखे हैं, बाकी को मैंने डैश लिखे. इसका मतलब ये होता है कि आगे का वर्ड अभी है. ठीक है? तो यहाँ मैंने उन लेटर्स को लिख के कंप्लीट वर्ड बनाया है. सो डोंट राइट लाइक डेट सेम. ओके ना? इन मॉडर्न डे पीपल वर्क मोर बिकॉज they want to live a comfortable and luxurious life. Okay na? Question 3 is here. See, which clothes do the modern day people prefer? आज के मॉडर्न डे में लोग कौन से कपड़े पहनना पसंद करते हैं? Here is the third answer. People prefer to dress according to the current trends. Okay? जो आज का करंट ट्रेंड है उसके अकॉर्डिंग पीपल ड्रेसेस पहनना पसंद करते हैं. सो आई हैव रिटन हियर आंसर 1, आंसर 2 एंड आंसर 3. ओके, सो फर्स्ट व्हाट आई सेड दैट फर्स्ट यू विल राइट द क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम द बुक, देन यू विल राइट द आंसर. सेकेंड, you will write the question from the book, then you will write the answer, like that. No, don't write in the same way. Okay na? So see the fourth question. Fourth question is, what are the changes in the style of celebration of festivals and cultural activities? So here is the fourth answer. In present time, people do not have enough time. People avoid time-consuming cultural and religious activities. Okay? In present time, people do not have enough time. People avoid time-consuming cultural and religious activities. So, question 5. This is the last question. Why should you adopt to change? Question 5 is, why should you adopt to change? So answer is, the people's desire to do something different leads to change. ठीक है, लोगों की जो इच्छा, लोगों की सोच की कुछ अलग करने का सोच जो है वही हमें चेंज की तरफ ले जाता है. सो हियर वी हैव डन द क्वेश्चन 4 and question 5. I already explained the exercise A to tick the correct option you have done now, and we have done the all 5 question. And now this C is your homework. Fill in the blanks. Okay? See, first is, today people spend more and save what? आज के टाइम में लोग बहुत ज्यादा खर्च करते हैं. एंड सेव, अगर वो ज्यादा खर्च कर रहे हैं तो सेव क्या करेंगे? दिस इज योर होमवर्क, यू हैव टू डू इट बाय योरसेल्फ. सेकेंड इज, पीपल ऑफ द मॉडर्न डे वर्क. आज के टाइम के जो लोग हैं वो क्या, किस तरीके से काम कर रहे हैं? ठीक है. थर्ड, पीपल प्रिफर फैंसी क्लोथ्स टू डैश वंस. एंड द फोर्थ वन इज, children also change a lot as regards making dash. So everything is given in your book, and I already explained this chapter to you. If you have any confusion, you can go through the book and read and then write the answer. So this one is your homework. Okay? So this one is your homework. You have to do this. If you have any confusion, you can read the book and then you can find the answer from the book. Okay? So we have done this one. Here is the junk food. Then here is globalization, and this one is flat. Answers I have written on the blackboard. So this is your homework. Okay? So do it properly and write in your copy in a proper way, in a very clean and neat handwriting. And after completing the question answer of the copy and the book exercise in the book, send me the attachment. Okay?